Get ready with your first card. It's wow. Your first word is wow. Wow. Say it with me. Wow. Now I'll do it quiet and you do it loud. Wow. Now I'll do it not at all. Now you do it all by yourself 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Your second card is whoa. Get it ready. Your next word is whoa. Like whoa, slow down, horse. Whoa. Look, my lips are round. Whoa. Now I'll do it loud and you do it loud. Whoa. Now I'll do it quiet and you do it loud. Whoa. Now I'll do it not at all and you do it by yourself. Now you do it by yourself. Ready? 1, 2, 3. How'd you do? Did you do whoa just as good as me? I bet you did. The next word is going to be we. Get your card ready. We. Next word is wee. Like we're going down a roller coaster. Ready? Wee. Look, my lips are round. And then they do this. Wee. 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 Do it with me. Ready? Wee. 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 Now I'll do it loud and you do it quiet. Wee. Now you do it loud, I'll do it quiet. Wee. Now I'm going to just do the mouth and you do the sound. Ready? Set. Good job. Okay, 3 times by yourself. Ready? For we. 1, 2, 3. How'd you do? Did you do a good job? Bet you did. This next word is wheel, like the wheel on a car. Get ready. Okay, if you can do we, then you can do wheel. I know you can. Right? Okay, wheel. My tongue just comes out at the end. Wheel. You try it. Wheel. You can do it. Try it with me. Wheel. Nice job. I know you're doing it. Ready? Wheel. Good job. Now I'm going to do it quietly and you do it the same way you've been doing it. Like wheel. Okay, I'll do it quiet. Ready? Wheel. Good job. Now I'll do it not at all and you do it. Ready? Very good. Okay, I know you're doing it great because you've been working hard. So now I want you to say it 3 times quietly by yourself while I count. The word is wheel. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Did you do it great? Maybe put one extra in. Ready? Wheel. Great job. This is the word one. Like how many pennies? 1. Okay, the next word is one. Like number 1. 1 penny, or 1 kid, or 1 toy. Watch my lips for the word 1. Are you seeing how my lips are round? 1. 1. 1. 1. Where's my tongue going for that last sound? Watch. 1. It's going up behind my teeth. Right there. 1. That's also a good way to say I won the game. 1. Who won? I won. One. Are you saying it with me? You should be. Try it. Ready? One. One. We can always get ready for this word because we know when we're going to count, right? We say, let's count, and then we start with one, right? So now I'm going to say it loud, you say it quiet. Ready? One. Now I'm going to say it quiet, and you say it loud. One. Did you still do your rounding of your lips like this? I hope so. Okay, now I'll do it with just my mouth, no sound, and you make the word. Ready? If we're going to count one thing, we say, how'd you do? Did you do it? Let's give it another try. Ready? If I say, oh, there's one kid in the class, I'll say, how many are there? And you say, that's it. Okay, 3 times. Ready? One. Now you say it again. One. And I'll count number 2. Ready? One. Now I'll say number 2. Now you say it again. I'll say 3. Good job. Here's the word wash, like wash cars or wash hands. Okay, here comes your next word. Your next word is wash. Now the sh part at the end is kind of hard, so let's make sure we just get the wa for sure, okay? Wash. That's the tricky part at the end. Watch. Wash. You want to try it with me with the whole thing? Try. Wash. Wash. It's okay if you don't get that end part. That's kind of tricky. So let's make sure we get the beginning part. Wa. Let's do that again for the word wash. Wa. Now let's try and put some sound on the end because it's important, okay? Even if it's not perfect, let's try. Wash. Wash. Oh, all my lips are round. The beginning and the end. Wash. Ooh, but I really have to push them out at the end for the sh sound. So if you can do it, that's great. If you can't, then just keep trying. Wah. 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 That's pretty good. Okay, now I'm going to do wash, and you try and copy me as I'm doing it. Ready? Wash. 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 Now I'm going to do it no sound, and you fill in the sound. So I'll move my lips, and you make the sound. Ready? Let's do it a couple times, because this is a hard one. Ready? Okay, let's try it again. Look how my teeth look at the end. You can see my teeth, right? Shh, 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 shh. Let's try that again. Wash. Wash. I almost have like a little circle with my lips. Shh. Wash. How you doing? Did you get that? Both sounds? I hope you got at least the wah part. Ready? 1, 2, 3 this time. You're going to say wash. 1, 2, 3. Nice job. You said wash. That's important when we wash our hands, wash the car, wash the dishes, wash all sorts of things. Wash the clothes. Okay, let's get ready for our next word. Almost done. You ready for the word win? Get it ready. Okay, this is the last word for you. The last word is win, because when you get to the end, you win. My lips are round. Win. My tongue goes behind my teeth like this. Right there. Win. I'll say it and you say it after me. Lips round. Win. Win. Make sure your lips are round. Win. Put your sound in your nose. Okay, I'll do it. You copy. Win. Your turn. Okay. Good job. Now, I'll say it loud, you say it quiet. Win! Your turn to say it loud now. Ooh, I tricked you on that one. I didn't say it at all. Okay, 3 times for you, and then you're done. Ready? Win. Do it again. Last one and you're done. Ready? Good. 3 of them. Now you've said all your words and you win. Congratulations. Good job.